the mountains I will bow my life to the one who set me there. In the valley I will lift my eyes to the one who sees me there. When I'm standing on the mountain I didn't get there on my own. When I'm walking through the valley I know I am not alone. You gotta be.
Clearly I'm not a professional. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Ipsy Unbagging plus an Ipsy shopper. Let's just get into the video. Okay. So let's go ahead and open it and then I'll tell you what I got through Ipsy shopper. See, I haven't seen it. It's been taking so much willpower not to open this. Ooh, hey, we're matching. Awesome. I like this. I will be using this for sure. So, got the card. I can't see anything in there but the card right now. Okay. So we have Flying Colors is the theme for this month. And so they made a different shades, I guess, which is really cute. I do know that they had a red one or something like that, and I didn't even see that they had a blue one, but I got a blue. It's good with me. Okay, so let's see what is the first thing we can get. Oh, I got another Luxie brush. Luxie? I've heard people say Luxie, but I'm inclined to say Luxie, so we're gonna say Luxie. I got a small shader brush. Yeah! I'm loving it. Oh no. My eyes. So, it's tiny, you guys. Okay. Got that. Alright, so we're starting good. And then I got... Okay, I read turmeric, and y'all know usually turmeric you use cooking, but I guess turmeric orange peel off mask. Oh, I'm excited to try this. Okay. Alright, man. Little box. Ooh, I'm already liking the color, y'all know. I'm into all the Steve Laurent. Okay, let's open it up. So it says eyeshadow on the side. Open you. Okay. So, I know we got an eyeshadow. Oh, that's pretty. It's very pretty. Are we gonna swatch it? We gonna swatch it. Y'all see that? That's beautiful. It picks up more blue on cam, but it's more of a teal turquoisey orange. Orange. Got the orange stuck in my head. I think it's more turquoise. So 1, 2, 3. Got 2 more to go. And then we got Feel Pure Anywhere Balm Rose. Okay, and I guess it's this scent rose. Use as a lip balm or anywhere skin needs added nourishment. Alright, y'all know I like my lip balms. Gotta keep these lips soft and luscious. And okay. And then we got Beauty for Real eyeliner. Alright. Let's open this bad boy up. I just chipped my nail. Okay, it looks brown. Alright. Brown eyeshadow. I ain't mad. I'll be using this in my waterline because I already have like light brown eyes. Does it look dark there? Gonna make my eyes pop. Okay, I ain't mad. So I'm pretty happy. Cute little bag. The lip balm. The peel off mask. The Steve Laurent eyeshadow, the Beauty for Real brown eyeliner. It's 24/7 eyeliner. Woo! Okay. And the Luxie small shader brush. I'm very happy with what I got. Let's move on to the Ipsy shopper. Okay. Now, Ipsy has a section, hopefully I'll put it in the clip, where if you're an Ipsy subscriber, you can buy things through Ipsy for a cheaper price. So let's say you like this, like lip gloss or something, and you don't want to pay full price, so sometimes they have it at cheaper prices. They also have like promotions, and for me, they were selling these wands for $72.47, I think is what I paid, and they're normally over $100, and they're 3 barrels and 1 wand. So we're gonna open it up. We got a big old package, and it's from Ipsy, as y'all can see right here. Okay, so let's open it up. It took everything I had in me not to open it. I've had this bad boy for a week. I'm already watching it. Alrighty, guys. They're from Foxy Bay. I've seen Foxy Bay all over Instagram, on Facebook, anywhere, even on YouTube, you know, like their ads and stuff. So when Ipsy sold out, I was like, alright, I gotta see what all the hype is about. So I got it for cheaper. This is called the Trinity Interchangeable the Trinity Interchangeable Curling Wand. Right there. Right there. Okay. Ooh. Look how pretty they are. I don't even want to unbox it now. They're so pretty. Y'all know how we get. Okay. So I pulled this out. First thing I see is a glove. Nice little thermal glove. I might not use it, you know. You know how we do when we curl our head. And then the little, this is good for traveling. Okay, so this is I'm guessing the medium barrel. Okay. And then it's locked right now. That's a little unlocked. Hey. Should I do a little try on? First impressions? Let's do it. So I purposely didn't do anything to my hair. It might look crazy or whatnot, but that's okay. We gonna protect our hair, y'all. Nobody want no fried hair. I got a lot of hair. Want to cut it, but still. Push that. They done played me.
2,000 years later.
Clearly, I'm not a professional. It took Babe to come and turn this on. Okay, she's smart. Press and hold it, Amy. So it works. I was mad. So it's going up fast. Let me see. Oh my God. I was mad. Why don't they put press and hold? Okay, it just said press. I pressed it. You trying to make me do break it? Okay. Oh, it turned blue at 360. Some of us need a little bit more instruction. Foxy Bay. Obviously. By some of us, I mean me. Okay, so. Ready? Ready? Look! It's so fancy too. I haven't had a curling one for over 2 years when my curling one broke. So, bouncy, bouncy, curly fries. How about we? Do I have to turn it off to change it? Probably no. It's gonna be cool. We're not gonna try them all. No, yes we are. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't judge me. This one. What's you call this? No. Ooh, it's hot. You can feel it through here. If this is supposed to be heat resistant, why could I feel it all? I like literally fit it, y'all. We're gonna try the medium barrel. The one that originally came with. We're gonna lock it. We're gonna turn it on. Okay. I'm gonna wait till it turns blue. Oh, turn blue. Right in the corner of my eye. Okay. I'm gonna take another little section. Okay. So. What? Glove on the wrong hand. I told them already I don't use the glove. She over here laughing at me because I have the glove on the wrong hand. I don't use the glove for this. One reason I put it on is so I could change the barrels. Don't laugh at me. And voila. Okay. All these curls. You know how we deal with this. Okay. Turn off. Press and hold to turn off too. Okay. We're gonna lock this bad boy in. Y'all hear background noise? It's my family. Okay. We got gamers in the next room. People doing oil changes. You know how we do? We Hispanic. When are we ever not loud? Look at that! About to do my whole hair. Yeah. Do it with the big one. That sound wrong. Okay, you guys. So we got the first few pieces we did was the tight curl, a little bit more looser curl, and then the wavy one. So I'm very satisfied. You can also put the heat up. I just left it at the initial setting, which was 360, but you can keep going up and up and up, and let's see where it goes up to. So the highest is 430. You just gotta wait for it to get to blue. Apparently blue means go. Foxy Bay land. And you're good to go. I really enjoyed them. I mean, they're aesthetically pleasing to the eye. And they worked. And I got to save. So if you haven't subscribed to Ipsy, I don't know what you're doing. So I also have a model with thick hair, but I don't know how she feels about me curling her hair right now. Just a little piece. Okay, I'm gonna bring Bay on here. Bay, come on. All right, everybody, this is Bay. Okay, we've been through so much together. It's my sister-in-law. She has naturally thick hair. Yeah. Okay. Now, you want to tell them what your name is?
My name is Bon Quickly. No, I'm just kidding. Monica, the one and only.
Yeah. So it's short, but we're going to try and do just a little quick one. And I don't want to fry her hair. Y'all see it's thick. It's really thick. So we're going to do a loose one. I'm going to curl it away from her face. And I'm still aware that the glove is on my other hand. What?
Bouncy.
Yep, you can split it in half like she's doing, and I'm about to do to all my curls split.
Alright, look at this one.
Ooh,
That's my hair.
that's because
Not brushed.
yeah, she just put it up in a bun, but she has really thick, voluminous hair. I'm jelly, in a good way. Okay, let me take this glove off so I stop looking stupid. Let me do another piece.
It's a little dry. It's a little fried.
Well, that's the part that was bleached, no?
Yes. You know, I bought this at a Japanese shop.
Did you
And
really?
these are chopsticks.
Yeah, are they really?
Yes, they are.
Oh.
But I thought they looked cute on my hair.
See, y'all can use anything. One more piece before we go.
I had to chop my hair off because I had bleach and they left the heat on too much and it just smelled like fried burnt hair.
That's what y'all need. There you go.
Hey,
So,
put my hair up.
do you give it a 10 out of 10?
Yes, that is a keeper.
Yeah, so I save money on it, y'all.
Yes.
So,
There you go. I don't have sushi, I have a bun.
so, I don't know what y'all waiting for. Subscribe to Ipsy. Get your perks. Ipsy isn't just a subscription for makeup anymore. It's for everything because you get all this stuff. I would have never paid over $100 for this thing. Let's see how much it costs. $224? Alright. $224. I wasn't gonna pay no $224. Got me tripping. And then the last thing I want to share with you guys, like they say in the long video already, right? Is I will no longer be filming on my iMac. Got me a tripod. Tripod for my iMac? No. Whoops, got things falling. I got me a camera, a starter camera. Okay, I was not gonna pay no $700 for one of them new cameras y'all going out there. This one will do for now. I don't know too much about cameras, like I was saying, so I got me a camera. Got the little flash going and everything. I am so excited. I will be filming on this. I'm going on a trip and I'm going to film it, you guys. So I am very excited. And I will see you guys when I come back. So I won't be posting anything this weekend because I'm going to be posting this current video. And then the following weekend I'll be posting what I got. Got a lot of editing to do, I bet. So I'm so excited. Okay, anyways, that's all for this video, you guys. I hope I didn't bore you guys and it wasn't too long. So please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know, do you guys have anything from Foxy Bay? How much did you pay for it? If you have this one, how much did you pay for it then? And if you haven't subscribed to Ipsy, the link will be down below. Go get you some Ipsy, get you some discounts, okay? Nobody got time to be paying full price for things. You already know. Right, guys, love you. Bye.